what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Brocco Fast. Today, we're installing a truck topper onto the 2025 AT4-X HD. What a truck. Tell you what a truck. I've had it for a month now. Thing's awesome. I pinch myself still. We went ahead and got the real truck, the Bakflip MX4. I went with the MX4. I've had like 4 or 5 of these on older model trucks, or not older models of these on my trucks. I've loved them. I like how you can't like see the truck bed. I don't like seeing the truck bed. I just bothers me because I just like visually good looking stuff. And I can tell you from some of the videos and everything, and I looked at the new MX4 Bakflip, they have upgraded a lot of this stuff. The models that I had back in the day, man, they had a lot of flaws. I loved them. They had a lot of flaws, and they fixed them all with these new models. So I'm excited to put this on. Let's learn how to do this today. We're going to do it together. Super easy stuff. Hopefully this video helps you. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below. Let's get to work. Let's have a little fun while we're doing it. All right, so one of the first things that we want to do, obviously, is open these. I got a rubber band too. So one of the first things we want to do is measure to make sure that these are the right length before we start building. This one goes here. All right, in the kit, we got all our we got our fasteners here. So we got 4 of these. Seems strange, huh? 2 of these, 4 of these. Jobbers here. Got our knobs, our clamps. There's a lot more clamps for this. Bump stops, our tape, hoses, caps. I'm gonna have to read the instructions. Oh, thanks. All right, I got confused for a minute, but all of this, I think only some of it's going to be used. They give you things that you might not need. These will be used. This is going to be used. These will be used. These say spare parts. I don't know what for. I don't know what this is going to be used for, which is bothering me, because I know what these will be used for. All right, we've got our weather stripping here, paper towel. We got some alcohol. I'm gonna dab this all up. We're gonna put that stripping here. As you can see, it's not even, so that's why we're putting that stripping here. Everywhere. One of the things people ask is, why are you dabbing that instead of just going like this? Paper towel disintegrates. So if you are wiping like crazy, the paper towel is already disintegrating. Paper towel, bad idea. Use a rag. Now put it right against the truck bed. Stuff they give you is terrible. A little bit of excess here, not much. Can't use it. All right, we have the rail. We have this little jobber here. That's gonna be my middle one. What you wanna do is set it right up here on the lid, on the lip. We'll butt it up against it, right? They put this new lip on it, so it sits nice and flush, just like that, which is nice. The old one didn't hold up. You're gonna butt it right up against this, but what you do wanna do, you wanna connect your drain hose first. Drain hose, right here. See that? So we got our drain hose. This is going to go right up on here. Right. Get on there. Once it's on, make sure that your drain cover field is nice and tight on there. What we're going to do is put it right in here. I don't know if you could see that right there. That one we're taking off. Take our rail. We only need about that much. So we do want to trim. What I want to show you is that is the clamp. This is how it should look. Okay? This should actually be up here, so we do need to fix that. So we'll do that real quick. I do want to show you this, which was pretty cool, these clips. You can take it out. I like to make it so it's super just loose, right? That's the bottom. What we can do is put these up in here, and then boom, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now we clamp this and get it tight. Get it tight, keep it right. Also take the bolt off. Last one. And obviously you want to space these out. Middle and now that that's done, go ahead and do the other side, because you got to do both sides, duh. And then we'll go on the next stage. All right, wanted to show you. Rails are on. Boom, boom, spaced properly. Now, they say to put it on this top little top little piece there. This middle one can only get that one, but that's because it is so on there that if I was to put it on that other one, it wouldn't be tight. It just would be eating the bracket. So they tell you to use the bottom one, but this works too. So I'm gonna go with it. All right, so what we wanna do is we want to place this perfectly even. Let's start right. Much easier with two people. Show you what I'm looking for. Just a nice, even seal on the top there. And as you're rolling it out, you want to keep it even. Make sure everything's even. If it's clicking in super easy, not even trying, you're on the right track. So what I'm checking is evenness. Is that even there? To even here. I'd say this side's a little close. No, I'd say we're good, right? All right, let's shimmy it over just a little bit, and then we'll give it a close. Close is good. Let's leave that open. Okay. All right. Couple things to button up and we'll be done. All right, we got one more step. Careful unrolling this. We're gonna put the round circle brace thingies on the end of it so the front doesn't move at all. All right, these little pads. Get the holes lined up. There we go. Bam. I've got these little pins that are threaded like so. So what we're gonna do is the pins the top here. At least I thought we were. Maybe we're not. Let's check the bottom. All right, screws go on the top. Now, I don't think this is gonna hold. I just slid it in there, but probably, there it went. Gotta hold it with your hand. So, give me a minute. Bam. Two people make it easier, but that's that. Something new that they give you, these little pads. What you do, line them up to where it hits the truck, and that way the truck's protected. So that is the finished product. Good looking bed truck topper. Nice and even with the truck, so you don't see it, which is my favorite part. Woo. Damn, it looks good. So does this truck. Whew. All right, that does it for Brocco Fast today. Truck topper's looking good. I've got AT4 blacked out badges that we're gonna be doing soon, and I got wheels and tires on the way. So stay tuned for AT4X HD quality. Yeah, that wasn't quality, but you get the drift. Whew. If you haven't already, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one. Brocco Fast.